person, right? 150 peso per person. Like, not even per person. 3 of us. No. 300 peso. Me, Jimmy, and motorbike go there and come back. Oh, my wallet is in another bag. That's a really good deal.
Okay, so you can load cars on it, and we can actually take our motorbike and everything over there. So it's super nice to be able to have your own transportation over there and save a cost of transportation.
Good morning!
Woo, we made it. Way too early for me right now. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful riding at night here. It's like dead silent, pitch black. It's really peaceful.
That's so scary.
It reminds me of being home.
But we are now walking on the big. Like, oh, it's like one road. Let's go and see upstairs. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pretty good, really big, 2-story boat.
Alright, so we left out the one minute detail. We're on this boat so early in the morning to take a trip to Oslob. So we can get there super early and we can drive ourselves to where we want to go on the motorbike. I didn't know that before we actually got on the boat. I thought it was just like a ferry, like people.
Oh, just people, but this is a big, gigantic boat like a Titanic. Imagine.
It's not like Titanic, but
it's almost like Titanic.
It's a giant ferry. So it goes both ways. So if you're on Cebu and you want to take a trip down south and you want to go to Dumaguete, you can also take your motorbike from Cebu to Dumaguete. So just remember that you can save some money by doing that, and you can explore everything on your own at your own pace when you want.
Oh.
The last boat to come back here to Dumaguete is at 10:30 at night. So you have a lot of time all day.
The first boat is 4:30?
First boat's 4:30.
We are taking the first boat right now.
And the last boat's 10:30. So you have all day.
So dark. Oh, I wish you had to read it like this. So how cool is that? We sit right next to the Captain Pilot room. Suddenly I was so curious about how does the fish sleep? How does the whale shark sleep? Right now is whale shark still sleeping or he awake? We start to discuss about, do the fish even sleep?
So apparently fish have what they call resting sleep. Part of their brain goes to sleep, like a resting sleep, while other parts of their brain actually continue to make them swim, so they have resting sleep. They're never actually in a deep sleep like humans. It's so early in the morning and there's already so many people here. She said that they normally start lining up around like 3:30 or 4. You go out with a couple people per boat and there's like small fishing boats. We'll show you exactly, but we're probably gonna switch to the GoPro as soon as this briefing's done. 11. Wow guys, what an amazing experience it was being able to swim with whale sharks. Now the whale shark is a slow-moving, filter-feeding carbonate shark. It's the largest known existence in the fish species. It was absolutely amazing. They were so gentle, so calm, even though there was a decent amount of people around them. Now, you can actually swim with the whale sharks about 10 kilometers away from the center of Oslob. It's in Barangay Tanawan. But remember, you're only able to swim with them from 6 in the morning till 12 in the afternoon. After 12 in the afternoon, the tide rises, current changes, temperature changes, and the whale sharks aren't there. So you have limited time, so make sure you get there early.
In search for the hot water.
I don't even know how it's possible, but this girl is like literally falling asleep, and when I go to stop, she smashes me because she's sleeping on the back of the motorbike.
Yeah,
it's
I
just
was so sleepy.
not good and not safe, so we stopped to see if we can find some hot water. Hello, do you have hot water? On the search of hot water, and we found the cheapest ice cream in all of the Philippines.
This is even cheaper in Thailand.
Yeah, it's like...
Thank you. Looks good though. Coffee flow.
So I got a Sonic Blast, which is Oreo, hot fudge, vanilla ice cream for 20 pesos. Can't beat that. And Ta ended up with a coffee float for 30 pesos. I guess.
Sorry.
Will that wake you up?
Huh?
Will that wake you up?
Should be. Don't leave me! Jimmy, come back! Jimmy, come here!
We made it. So we're at
Tumalog Waterfall.
Tumalog Waterfall.
Oh my god, the way
and at
up
the
here.
top of the mountain.
Oh yeah. So the way up here is insane. And we both say, oh my god, holy. Dolphins out.
Yeah, it's because once you get to the top, it's like an off-centered like mountain range all the way down to the ocean. And then you get to the top here at the waterfall and they're like 50 pesos to ride down and back.
But you know us.
You know us. Like, look at, I can see the waterfall. I don't know if you can see it. Look, right there. I can see the waterfall. I'll hike up the hill. And down the hill. I'll walk. Yeah.
Remind me of Jumanji movie.
There's so much untouched beauty here in the Philippines. It's unreal. But you can't go from Oslob across the island. You have to go all the way around the island, because if you look at a map, it's all jungle and mountain range. Like, you cannot get through it.
Yes.
So you have to go all the way around the outskirts of the island just to get to the other waterfall.
Walking down. I'm
You worry
worried
about walking up.
Oh yeah, I see it coming.
You yelling at me, complaining.
I see it coming. I don't want to accept it. Oh.
Relax. I'm trying to catch some sun, you know? I'm getting
Trying to get some tan,
trying to get some extra crisp on these white skin, you know? All I get is red, but I guess I'll take a darker shade of red instead of tan.
Even walk down is hard.
This is like a rain shower head falling down the mountain into a... This isn't color graded. This is not color graded. The perfect blue water. And it infinity pools over. Wow, this is just incredible. Look at this. Most waterfalls you go to are just so strong, so tall, so powerful that you can't even get close to them. This is like a rain shower. Just stop here. It's like 4 or 5 miles from the whale shark snorkel. So it's super close. It's 20 baht to get in, and it's well worth it. Tasha said this is her favorite waterfall she's ever been to. Out of all the countries we've been to, this is her favorite. Alright, So that was a quick stop at this waterfall.
I'm not sure if I
it's
can.
definitely really cold right now. Because this one's like tucked in the mountains, so it doesn't get like any sun. It's like in the jungle. You get no sun, like unlike the other ones. The other ones get a lot of sun.
Yeah.
So we're gonna head back and catch the ferry back at 4:30. Make it back to Dumaguete before nightfall.
Oh, one thing about this one, it's really shallow though. So you can't really do any kind of activity like cliff jumping, no, like...
Yeah, you can't really do anything
but
but swim and relax.
Real jumping. But it's worth doing.
Definitely.
Give me some rolls.
There you
Make
go,
it like a